Getting started. 1. Listen and read.
Hey, you've been in front of your computer for so long. What are you looking for?
Well, I've been searching for information about further education for several days, and I've learned a lot about it from different websites.
What is further education?
It's basically education below degree level for people above school age. It can be academic or vocational.
Sounds interesting. How are they different?
Academic courses help us develop analytical skills, critical thinking, and knowledge for higher education at a university or college.
Will that lead to a bachelor's degree?
Exactly. That's the undergraduate level. At the postgraduate level, you get a master's degree or a doctoral degree. A doctoral degree, also called a doctorate or PhD, is the highest university degree.
I see. What about vocational courses?
They provide us with practical skills, training and qualifications to succeed in a particular job.
OK, so what are your plans for the future?
I've been thinking about studying abroad lately. Besides improving my language skills, I can learn more about other cultures. It can be exciting.
And more expensive.
But we can apply for scholarships.
Well, I may need more time to decide on my major, so I won't go straight to university after school.
Good idea. Many students prefer to take a gap year between secondary school and college so they can do voluntary work or internships and travel.
I couldn't agree more. I've travelled to quite a few countries since grade 9. Next year, I plan to go to Thailand to work as a volunteer at a children's home. I hope the practical experience will make my CV look good.
Sounds great. I'd like to join you if I can. I've never been to Thailand before.